Omushia. No matter where they are playing, a difficult game for any of these clubs. Kumasi Asante Kotoko home. Ebiana Stars are winning back. But some match na Masu Kumasi. A Koso Accra Sports Stadium. And Ebiana Stars. A Koko share 1-0. But this time on a match na Basu Kumasi. For those who knows what they know, and for those who knows what some of us know, no. Name say they be ding the Ebiana Stars. E Kumasi the best be draw. Only Sanya man sound the game ni na the tone change we are. There was certain cry from certain supporters. Say yes, someone the Prosperana to Ogumdi. Say he's a very good coach. Born the Oya de pa. On sound what team that's why you. There are certain players in the squad. I establish your mo. Kotoko team anymore. It is supporters and person who say players no. And omo GDS say some man the boy. Say success no mo here no. E be to be a bomber from. Players did believe they Sharif Mohammed. Players did believe they Richmond Lamptey. These were players and not supporters need to some who are man. And any given opportunity as a man tienya. Oma chire here nya sana supporters need to free omo. So omo because omo need to omo betimi aboaji Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no. Problem back one me who prosper na te ogum who was say. He's a coach and he always wants to prove a point. If just as to prove a point into no. Some of the players are torn this season here. Eba Kumasi Asante Kotoko. He would want to use them. No mama Ghana man you know which am not no torn di omo ba no. Omo ni mbo ne bo. Yeah. But in football, me no me I the game let you challenge him say. Player be a turn on the first season, it's an adaptational period. If the player make him move no go team no bonim ko year. And some of you can say, oh, munya about the first season. Why? Because you need to play an adaptation to the system, to the environment, even the playing mates, and the kind of football understanding. It's a better time. But not prosper na to ogum person or the brand the ball. And no more. It is not like they are no good players. They are good. They have the quality. But the club Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they are new to the Kotoko environment. And certainly it is going to take time. On the pitch, between these two teams. And I mean, feel say it worked for Prosper na Ogum was said. At the start of the game, now name what to Ebiana Stars. Yes. Almost share game na sena. If the Ebiana Stars plan or the bad game was to defend. They had it at the back of their minds. Some were wingers, some were pacey. Okay. There were Emmanuel Janfi. There was some Adams. There was Isaac Minta. There was Brighter J. These are experienced players. Some were pacey. It's any defender. You release the ball, no command Nanti. We are no more. You see, ball no anymore near the resource. Say, Antimia winning poor. You himself come say they buy and share until it's in your dry. So, say at the blast of the vessel, Nana. As you want to almost shake game national. And a prosper to decided that I give when I'm the Abadia. And you're born to me, Mamma Bobby. Okay. Meaning a lot of the boss are or plan the whole team, the back out team, Untimim Juma. It is all right from the first minute till time of Kumasi Asante Kotoko now go and after me, you're on a free pedal. And a Diana Stars chance, yes, or bag game. Now, Kotoko possessive game now. Now they told me what Diana Stars come to kita ball. And that is one thing I need more prosper na to Ogum team. Possessively, they are very strong. Young for born into from Nayamon, Omunimbo. And Sakwana no Faswa, Omo Hati Accra Lions. It is a own kita ball. Depends on the kind of shape I'll be putting up. And on the back check when I prosper so they will be fast. Diana Stars was central defenders. I have some more quality. Richard Saki, Derek Afferson on the day. I'm prove you on the worth. But Kumasi Asante Kotoko, player a friend is Fege. I said that man a lot of options at times. But I did back what about Buan say he's a forward, but say you track it back. Now when there are problems, you're not supporting the defensive line. You are always going to see him there. Jordan Fege Rodriguez. And a branch any year sell you one of the ball Kumasi Asante Kotoko pa. Problem back was a Prosper na Ogum working on. I had the decision of a year player your friend say Peter Amiduakwa. Okay. He has a lot of quality. But or your inexperience, it will do anymore man. What ball in you know? Why to take the final decision? I bet Kumasi Asante Kotoko, you are not going to see the player. Baby, that's what you know pass it. Baby, that's all pass no coaching. Baby also a boss shot no the money near. But just all the money near na honu mom na no kwakwa boss shot. But you can't blame him. He needs coaching. He's a young player with a lot of quality, 17 years. And when your opportunity no book Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And you are going to expect a Sanyama will be BCC. Kumasi Asante Kotoko made for no did the magic for Kotoko. Sharif Mohammed Richmond Lamte. These two players on any day. Team Bio Mubeshi will be having problems. So why is Sharif Mohammed? Again, baby, any goal stars he was on the bench. Kotoko team this is sign. I brought only free bench bar team. Okay. And I'll bet take and so baby any goal stars ever benya the match winner. It is Sharif Mohammed since joining Asante Kotoko. Any given opportunity, a branch and say he has a lot of quality over to me the Abua Kotoko team no. And on my Richard Tetemo will be other stars in 5 1 year useless. It's a lot of the boss. Na Kotoko ni nyasa boss no. And Medika aka. Say bono say who anya bia mo a o plan be wo trim bia won timi utilize it. Now they had the opponent. And I know that here Jumarima Kumasi Asante Kotoko for Lamte, the least said about him the better. Because with your Lamte ball now about the Kruma. Any ball be a use and cophobia about the Kruma and 1 million 2 crime about black stars in Ibido. I have Brabone lack any more branch here. That's right. And it's all that's to Kruma. These players with the kind of energy game clearly was like they wanted to do something. Kalo Watara also yes he's a good striker when you have 2 goals. And I'm Kumasi Asante Kotoko this season. But I dear back was so young Juma born in that format. It looks like a born in that format. Kalo Watara are useless. Sorry to use that word. A first row they are perfect. But football dear back also so say. Quite a first row ball. So why are dynamic? A bedroom maybe no. How you play. And they are always going to map up strategies to stop you. It is why this season Manchester City team no. A lot of the goals are not Haaland at this time, last season. Yes. And the Pep Guardiola as a coach in Susu. And from last season, he be real league no. Or shall or try system be. So about Haaland and Julian Alvarez me nuna. And to stop you where we be for 1 year juma. It's born baby I was trying to one. And when a coach be alo baba be share or mapping out strategy said or be stop you. Because or stop you will strength na. And on to bet me using the idea results. And Kalo Watara says so young one juma because a back crano. Team Silibe who say, quite say now first to kill goals. And you have my strategies to be able to stop you. Kotoko all in all, I did a very good job. For Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, Mantiano Eba Yencheye. But the kind of understanding the question I want me to think Kotoko I believe say one of the best for the club. Kotoko did well, the most important thing in the game, they got it. Now they've gotten that kind of confidence. Over the weekend, no more Obo Nations FC, Obo Nations, Obo Bechem United were home. Supporters diffuse at least almost your points way and the toa. Everything you going forward, and that kind of sense of belief about Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no ever go on this season. Fancy. Okay, well, Biggy made that say, Maxi.
Yes, sir. All say,